In today's video, it is quite of a different one than my usual uploads. We will be going over the new Pump Fun Solana airdrop that has just been announced, and I'm going to walk you step by step on how you can participate and how you can get a piece of the pie. And honestly guys, I've seen a lot of people on Twitter, on other social media saying that they claimed $5, $10, $15,000 from this, and that is basically the main reason why I'm making this video in the first place, is to let everybody know and spread awareness, as this is a limited time airdrop and this could end literally any second, so I don't want you boys and girls to miss out on this. So make sure you watch the video until the very end so you understand what is happening and how you can participate. So first and foremost, open up your browser and go to pumpfunsol.net. That is the official website where the airdrop is happening, and don't worry guys, I will leave the link in the description below and will be in the pinned comment as well. And once you're on the website, of course, you will be able to see all the information that you need. The 24-hour volume is currently sitting at 2.3 mil. The market cap is at 15.6 million. Of course, you can look around. There's lots and lots of this website, all the details that you need about the airdrop or just the pump coin itself. And as you guys can see right here, 50,000+ participants, 72% claimed, and 5 days remaining. So more than half have already claimed this airdrop. So there's not a lot of time left before the spaces fill out. So make sure you act fast on this because this is a limited time airdrop, as I said before, and it doesn't cost you anything to see if you're eligible or not, and you never know, you might have some free money laying around to claim. So yeah guys, of course, claiming this is very simple. In the top right corner you have the connect wallet button. Once you click on that, it will show you all the compatible wallets with this airdrop, and once you find your wallet, connect it, and then the system will check your eligibility and see how much pump tokens you're eligible to claim. And if you're happy about that, just say continue and you are good to go. The pump tokens should be on their way to your wallet, but keep in mind guys that there's lots and lots of traffic on the website at the moment, so the waiting time is around 15 to 20 minutes. And if you scroll down to the tokenomics section, as you guys can see, smart distribution for maximum value. And as you guys can see, the total supply is 1 million, 50% airdrop, 25% liquidity, 15% development, and 10% marketing. So as you guys can see, of course, 50% airdrop, that is a really nice number. So yeah, don't miss out on this. Honestly, it's an amazing opportunity if you're just starting out, or if you want to build up your portfolio. But that is pretty much it from me guys. Thanks very much for watching.